In this video, I am going to show you how to transfer money from Wells Fargo to Cash App. First, click on your profile icon located in the top right corner, then scroll down until you see Linked Banks and select it. From here, you can either link your Wells Fargo debit card by entering the card number, expiration date, and CVV, or link your Wells Fargo account directly by clicking on No Card. If you choose the latter, click Continue, and you'll see a list of different banking institutions, including Wells Fargo. If you don't see it, simply search for Wells and select Wells Fargo when it appears. Once you log in with your Wells Fargo online banking details, your Wells Fargo account will be linked to your Cash App. To transfer money, go back to the main screen, click on the banking icon at the bottom left, and select Add Cash. Choose the amount you want to add, or press the three dots for a custom amount, type in the desired sum, and click Add. If your Wells Fargo account is successfully linked, the money will be transferred to your Cash App. And if you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.